Thank you for joining us here today. We are actually downtown in the GTA Toronto. We are doing a TD Tower floor basically. What you see down here is a 12 by 24. It looks like marble, but it's actually porcelain. So we have about 4,000 feet of tile. This is our first week, so we did some installations, some slabs here on the wall, Caligata. Very nice, I guess, book match kind of thing, as you could see. I'll do a little walkabout just in case you all need some tile installations in commercial or residential. This is what we do. This is a slate slab cut out of the 4x8 sheets, of course, just like the top. So basically this is what we do for the past 32 years. As you could see, again, book match, right? Cut out of one slab and installed nice and neat and sweet. And back there all the floors are covered. So what we've done is installed a little bit here today. We grouted the floors today, so we're trying to keep tidy, you know, grout, tile the next day and grout. So, you know, these jobs tend to be a disaster after a while. As you see, there's a bit of cleaning up as we go. Again, give us a call. We service the GTA, Toronto, 416-937-8115. These are the elevator lobbies here. So we have dry pack, of course, on all our jobs. So dry pack, we level off all the floors here, and then we tile. So we have this hallway down here, so to tile. Basically, down the hallway here were the elevators. This is completely finished. I'll just do a little walkabout. Later in our videos, we'll enter the bathrooms where we have 9-foot bathroom walls. Very nice, 12 by 24. Again, Caligata with some black herringbone tile. Actually, let me try entering it now. There's not too much lighting, but you get the picture here. So again, this is porcelain, people. The floors are all covered, so you can't really see. So this is sort of how a construction site looks like before you actually see it and walk in when it's all finished. So very nice, neat, straight. Here you can't really see the herringbone tile, but we'll enter this shower section here. As you can see, the floor is all one level, so we have the sloping for the shower floor and the water going in. We have some nice white metal edgings. Again, there's the herringbone, very nice, neat and straight. And this is not a marble again. This is sort of the Caligata look. Caligata tile, 12 by 24. So as you can see, this is our work. This is what we do. Sweet with a herringbone. If anybody wants some ideas on how to change up things, give your washrooms and showers and bathrooms different look. So again, you know, we do heated floors, dry pack, residential, commercial, been around 32 years. Heated floors, dry pack is a must on a lot of our jobs, okay? A lot of people don't know what dry pack is and self-leveling stuff that they've heard, but old school style, professional way to go. So our number is 416-937-8115. Just keep up with our YouTube videos on our tile installations and spread the word. You need tile installations, we are the boys, okay? Take care, have a good day.